So Docker 6 p.m. server. Okay, this is our server. Let me start the server. Okay, server is running. Let me log into the server. Yes. Okay, now we are able to log into the font size is okay for you guys, right? You are able to see the font size. Okay. Okay, give me a minute, just a minute. So I'm able to log into the server. The font size is okay for you guys, right? It's visible for you guys, correct? Okay. So first, yesterday I'm inform you guys that we can use a curl space if config. That me command can be used to verify the public IP. We can take this public IP and we can get into the browser and we can able to log in. Okay. So like this, go to incognito window, paste the IP colon 8080. Continue to the site. Installation part is done. Then Jenkins also we do have a CLI also will support by Jenkins. We have GUI also and CLI also. This is the GUI. When I am trying to log in, right, this is the GUI. Also, we have a CLI also. That also I'm gonna show. But let me log into the GUI. It will take some time. Anyway, in the meantime, we'll discuss about. For example, if at all you want to access a CLI, then we can see like this: Jenkins, manage Jenkins global security, then enable security. This option we need to enable first. Then post that IP address colon 8080/CLI. If we can able to use this option to access the CLI things, then we can able to look for Jenkins CLI.jar file. This is a jar file. Okay, so we can use this jar file to run the applications. Okay. Post that we are going to learn how to create the users. For example, right now I am the only user for logging to the Jenkins. So next what I'm going to do means all of you guys are going to create the Jenkins account. Okay. So then if I share you guys can able to build and deploy the application. You can create a project, you can create a job, many things you can able to do that. Okay. So I'm going to create the user accounts for you guys and I'll share the link also. Then you can log in and you can able to build your jobs. Okay. How to do that? I'm going to show that. Creating a users, configuring the users, create a new roles and assign a users to the roles and control user access on the projects. Those kind of things I'm going to be teaching in the today's class. Okay, let me log in. My username is admin when I created yesterday. Let me sign in. Then post this. We have a plugins also there, like we were discussing in the yesterday class, right? So Jenkins having multiple plugins. There are 1,000+ plugins to enhance its features and the responsibility of the Jenkins. So Jenkins is also, we know that Jenkins is a free tool, nothing but so it's freely available one. No need to pay any amount, and also it's open source also, and along with it's a much support from the community. That means Jenkins have a very wide community will be there. There you can able to do many download the plugins, install the plugins, and you can work with many things in that. With us, Jenkins is a vastly user continuous integration tool for the IT industry, which is built and used around the plugins. So its a core is the Jenkins tool, and there are hundreds of plugins available to enhance its power and usability. So Jenkins basic configurations wise, if you think about, Jenkins have a home directory also, like store all its data and the directory in the file system. What is the home directory? Nothing but, let me show that. Can you guys see this? LL minus EAL. So can you guys able to find the folder called .jenkins in the root folder, in the root path? After you log into the root user, if you do LL minus AL, then you can find the folder called .jenkins. That means this is the home directory of the Jenkins. This is the home path of the Jenkins. Okay, I'm able to log into the Jenkins server. Look at guys, everybody any day if you log into the Jenkins server, this is the UI user interface will be looks like this. Okay. Next, first thing what I'm gonna show you guys means, so I want to install some plugin. Let me show how to install the plugin. Manage Jenkins. I need to click on Manage Jenkins. Remember guys, if at all anytime you want to install any plugins, right? So we need to go to Manage Jenkins. From there only we need to do the next steps. But make sure the Jenkins server always it should be slow, because the capacity of the server will be matters here. We are taking the capacity of the server is very slow, I mean very minimal. That's the reason it's very slow. But in the company they'll take higher end configuration that could be faster. Okay, that's the reason it's see keep on rotating. That means wherever the Java application is there means definitely it will be slow only, until unless you had extra, I mean enough memory and disk, then it will be good. Just will give some moment for this. So we're going to show how to set up the home directory. Store in the home directory means what is there means home directory store all of its data in the this directory in the file system. File system means the server. System message will be displayed at the top of the Jenkins home page. Some for example, okay, this came right. Okay. So we global security configuration. Okay, nodes plugins. Look at the third option, guys. Manage Jenkins. Always remember this manage Jenkins option is there. This option only available for administrator only, admin user only, not for everybody. Other users there is no manage Jenkins. Only for administrator is there. This guy only having a option. Okay, let me click on plugins. It's taking for a while. Then number of your executors is reflecting. That means number of concurrent jobs to run. That means at the same time, how many people can able to run the job. That is a number of concurrent jobs to run. Parallel execution we call it as. Nothing but at the same time, I am also running the job, and along with myself, my colleagues also can able to run the job. Like that, how many people can able to run? Okay, that's the number of executors to concurrent jobs to run. Quiet period, nothing but Jenkins wait for the specified time before actually starting the build. Nothing but this is the initial period. So like before entering to the running state of the job, it will be waited in this period. That's a quiet period. Then SCM retry checkout count. So retrieves the perform when the checkout fails and nothing but. So this will going to check SCM is source code management. Git and GitHub are the source code management. Like when the developer commit the changes to the GitHub, so how the changes will come to the Jenkins server. That's why using SCM checkout retry count is the option we're gonna use to get those things from there to here. Okay, same way we need to install some plugins and we need to create some jobs. I'm going to show that how to create the jobs and how to assign the permissions to the job and how to execute the jobs. Those things we're going to see it in the upcoming class. Okay, so here guys, updates, there are no updates. Dashboard manage Jenkins plugins. Under this available plugins we need to go. When we click on available plugins, then we can see some sort of the plugins are there, then we can install those plugins. What are the essential plugins which are required for our day-to-day activities, right? Then those can be installed. See, it's okay. So I have stopped this one because it's consuming more disk, more memory also. That's the reason I stopped that. Now visit to P2.47 top container D 2001 kill space -9 -9. Okay, able to see here is here. We can search for the plugins whatever we require, then we can able to install that. Okay, let me install audit log, first one, AUDIT, audit trial, audit log. These two things are fine. Then I'll need to install some more role based role based authorization strategy, AWS credentials, AWS credentials, AWS credentials. Then other than this, we might be look for Java, mail API, mail for API, Oracle development kit installer. This is okay. JavaScript by JavaScript to JavaScript jQuery, Docker API, SDK used for the plugins. Okay, I think these are fine right now. Then let me search with something on AWS side. If at all you want to connect to AWS, what are the things are there? Logs wise, we can select some of them. I mean, not required everything, okay, but we can select few of them. Secret manager for storing the secrets, load balancing, Lambda, CloudFront, auto scaling, EC2, Amazon EC2, ECR, ECS, global configuration, artifact manager on S3, code deploy, Lambda, S3 bucket credentials, code build, code pipeline. Like this, many things we can select. Okay, whatever you can see, you can select them. That won't be a problem. Okay, I'm installing those. Install. But it has to be downloaded and it will not install. It will take some time. Once this are installed, then we can see. It will take some time. Let it be. I'll just share the package which I'm trying to install here. Jenkins Warlog. I'm just verifying that there are multiple things are there here. I mean, it's consuming more disk. Around 56.1 GB is used. Not sure like what other things are there in this. Mm, it's very less only. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. I think it's done. Okay. So now let me show you guys how to create the users. Users we need to create. Where is the users? I'll do one thing. I need to change the instance type of this server because it's very, very slow. I'll stop the server and I'll change the type and then we'll work on. Give me a minute, let it stop. Okay, you guys know that, right? How to change the instance type. Select the server, actions, instance settings, change instance type. Then you can choose what you want to install. Next one, like how you guys have the class size, right? Excel, double Excel, like that. Same way, micro, small, medium, large, extra large, 2x large, 4x large, 8x large, 16x large, like that will come. If the large will be increasing, the size of the server will increase, and along with the disk, the cost also will increase. Okay, I use it medium. That should be fine because I could not able to do the things with a small categorization. That's the reason. Let me start the instance now. Let me re-log in. Let me log in. Then we're gonna show how to create the users. If at all you want to access CLI, right, we can open new tab, then we can put CLI. This will open CLI. The first one is for GUI, the second one is for CLI. CLI means it's kind of a UI only, but it have a commands will be there. By using commands also we can able to interact. Okay, able to log in. Look at guys, this is CLI. CLI will use like this. We have a commands will be there. We can make use the commands. Okay. Let me now. I'll gonna create the users. Manage Jenkins. Okay, so here users. Can you guys able to see users here left side? Click on users. Okay, right now only one user is there, that is admin user. Okay, then we need to create some more users. Create user. Create user. Okay, here I can create a users. Let me create user. One user I created. Similarly, I need to create few more users. Even after increasing also is very slow only. Okay, I think need to be tune up something on this server. Anyway, I'll look into that offline and I'll get back to you tomorrow, guys. Let me create this user, at least one more user, so that you guys will be unblocked. Now you guys know how to create a users in the Jenkins. Okay, if you create a like you create one like already we have a Docker server, right? In the same server only install Jenkins and configure the users. The next steps I can show in the next class. Okay, so now we can see 3 users are there total. Okay, so now I'll share the username and the password, guys. You try to log in. So Liakat, Liakat, one username, another username is AMODH, Amod. Okay, for both the users, password will be admin123. Can you guys log in? I'll just give you the URL how to log in. In your browser, you can log in. This is a URL. You just need to enter this URL. It asks for username password. Then you enter Liakat, you can enter your username, and Amod, you can enter your username. Both the username will be admin123. No capital, nothing. ADMIN admin123. In the meantime, I'll create a user account for remaining 2 guys.
Yeah, able to log in.
Go to login, right? Okay. Then Raghavendra. Sangeeta, you also can able to log in. Just verify, Sangeeta. Your name is right, Sangeeta. That's it. Password, same password. Admin123. Okay. Then, Sir Raghavendra, sir, can you able to log in yourself now?
Let me check, sir.
Now, after you guys logged in, this is the page is getting up for you guys, correct? Can you guys confirm me?
Yeah, correct.
So now, here, for me, administrator is there. For you guys, your name is there, correct? Then we have a logout option. 2 options are there, correct?
Yeah.
Now you guys can see, for me, new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my views, audit logs. This many options are there. Same options for you guys also there.
Yeah, correct.
Correct. But I said, manage Jenkins option should be only there for administrator only, not for others. But you guys also can able to see that. Correct?
Correct.
There is a there is a mismatch here. That means there is a permission mismatch will be there. Now at default, what permission is there means any logged in users can do anything is there. That I need to change. Logged in users can do anything is there that I need to change. Where to change? Manage Jenkins is there, right? Manage Jenkins. This is security, manage Jenkins, security. Then can you guys see here? Logged in users can do anything is there. I have to change that to role based strategy. I need to change this to role based strategy. Upon I select role based strategy, then apply and save. Now, if you guys refresh now, if you guys
It says Raghavendra is missing the overall read permission.
permissions, correct? That means you guys don't have any permission. You don't have any permission now. That means then how do I work? For that I have a solution. Let me show that how to create the role based permissions. I'm gonna show that. So now nothing is reflecting. You guys logged in, but overall read or write bar missing permission, something is getting up, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go to security again. There are three types of permissions are there. Can you guys able to see? Matrix based security, project based matrix based authorization strategy, role based strategy. Three options are there. Right now I'm gonna show matrix based security. In tomorrow class I'm gonna show a project based, role based also. Okay. So then these three, what are these things? Anyone can do anything means even person no need to log in. In the world, public people can log in and they can do anything. That's why anyone can do anything. Legacy mode is another option. Logged in users can do anything means the person able to log in, but he can do anything. That's the three options. But these three nobody will use. So I selected matrix based. So it like this is open. When I select matrix based, it will open like this. Now I can add the users one by one. Now I'm gonna grant the permissions for you guys. Just wait for a while.
Here the user ID is case sensitive.
User is case sensitive. Now look at guys. I added all the users. Okay. Right now, look at overall two types of permissions are there. Administrator is there, reader is there. I cannot give administrator, so I am giving read permission. Read permission must not should. Everybody read permission should be there. That's the reason you guys are getting the error. Overall read bar write permission is missing. Something is getting up, right? Why are you getting this? Because we don't have any read permission also. That's the reason. Then post that. So credentials, I won't give any permission. Agent, I'll give permissions. For all four peoples, I'll give the same permission. Credentials not required. Other permissions I'll grant. But company never give like this permissions. More permission they won't give. Limited permissions they'll give. But for understanding purpose, I'm giving more permissions here. They have a role should be there. DevOps, Dev, QA testing, sales, business, accounts like that. Okay. I added the all four users. I added the permission also. Let me apply and save now. After this, can you guys refresh your user console now?
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming, but manage Jenkins is not there now. Can you guys verify?
Yeah.
New item, build history, my views, audit logs. This many are there?
Yes.
Correct? Okay, then we are in the right position now. Hope all four guys will be having the same thing because for four guys I'm giving the same permission.
So
Right?
I am not able to access anything.
You need to refresh that again.
I did, sir. I did twice or thrice. I did.
I mean, you're not getting that option.
It says Raghavendra is missing the overall or administrator permission. It says.
Let me log in, sir, with your name, let me. Unless you can log out and re-log in, sir.
Okay.
Let me check. I'm trying to log in from your account. Yes, sir, I can able to log in. You log out and see that, sir. See, new item, build history, audit logs, credentials. But Amod and Sangeeta, you guys cannot able to see credentials, correct?
Able to see, sir.
This left side credentials are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are permission I given then? Limited permission only given, right? Okay, it's okay, no problem. But anyway, that will control in the next class. So like this, we can control the permission. Okay, in the company also, this is the way we can control. But you may get one question now. Generally, in the company there are plenty of employees, right? 10,000 or 15,000, like this employees will be there, right? How this many users will be created in Jenkins manually? It's very difficult to create, correct? That's the reason. Can you guys see here security realm? Jenkins own user database. That means within a Jenkins server, if you're creating a users, this is the option. Then we have a LDAP server will be there. All company, every company having a LDAP server, there the company will going to manage the user accounts. All employees will be there in the LDAP account only. Okay. What we can do means we can integrate the LDAP with the Jenkins. We can integrate LDAP with Jenkins so that whatever the users are there in the LDAP, right? Those all the users will come to Jenkins as well. Then we can grant the permissions. That means no need to create the users as I shown, right? Like that. If suppose yours is very small team, maybe 4 to 5 employees only there, then you can deal with manually also. Like this, what we deal, right? Like that. Then Unix and user bar group database also can be used, but most probably this is the one either LDAP or maybe Jenkins database. Two can be used. Clear, guys?
Clear.
Then one more option is there. Can you guys see? Disable keep me signed in. Nothing but when you guys logged in, right? That moment, some moments, some of the websites will ask keep me signed in, like that. If you check the box, what will happen? It won't allow you to log out. It will be running only. Correct. Automatically, it won't log out. That is this one. Keep me signed in. Means even if you click on keep me signed in, also it won't keep because I disabled that. Allow users to sign up. This option allows users to create accounts by themselves via sign up link on the top of the right shoulder of the page. Make sure not to grant significant permission to the authenticated users, as anyone in the network will be able to get them. When this checkbox is unchecked, someone with the administrator role would have to create the accounts. So that means if I select this box, what will happen, right? Anyone can able to, like, with the sign up enabled, anyone on your network becomes authenticated user. It recommended in the case to minimize the permission granted to the authenticated user. That means just for a while, I'm gonna save these changes, guys. Now close your window and just try to access this URL once again. Close your window and try to access this URL once again. Are you guys are getting sign up option? Can you let me know?
No, it's not asking.
Not getting? Because we need to get the sign up option there. Register.
Sir, getting, sir.
Our register is there, correct? If I click on register, this is the one I'm talking about. Earlier, this register option is there in the down, right? This was not there, but now it's getting. Let me remove that. Security. Allow users to sign up option disabled. Now, went out. Got it? How the permissions will work? That option is went out now. This is the way Jenkins will work. Clear, guys?
Clear.
Okay. In the next class, we're gonna do some more things. So where we have means create a users we did, configuring users we did, but we didn't create any roles. Okay. Assign users roles, control user access on the projects. These things we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Any questions or confusions, you guys can let me know. If nothing, I'm gonna stop the server. After I stop the server, you guys can log in. Okay. Cool, that then we'll catch up tomorrow. Thank you so much.